Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is Tina from ursneaker. Today I'm going to do a review for these two pairs of Yeezy 700 V3 Azael sneakers here. And on my left hand, this is our God version, which is exactly same as the retail ones. And on my right hand, this is the another versions. So what is the difference between these two versions? Let's check from our videos together. Okay, so the first difference I wanna share with you is the toe cap V piece here. Yeah, this shape here. Yeah, this is our God version. You'll find that this V shape here is really in good shape. Yeah, it's not too straight here, right? So this is our God version. And now let's check these versions here. For these versions, you'll find that this V is a little bit too straight. Yeah, it's not in good shape as our God versions for this V shape here. Okay, so let's check it from this side. Yeah, this you'll find that this part is a little bit straight here, right? For this version, but our God version, it's really in good shape here. Okay, so this is the first difference. And the second difference I want to share with you is the midsole colors here. So this is our God version. You will find that this midsole is a little bit in cream colors for these midsoles here. Yeah, but check these versions. This version, from this side you may find that it is in cream colors as well. But when you put two of them together, so you can clearly see their difference. Yeah, this is our God version. It's more like in pure in cream white colors. But for this one, it's a little bit darker for this midsole, which is wrong. Yeah, this is the correct midsole colors here. Okay, so this is the second difference. And the third difference I want to share with you is the piece on the lateral side here. So this is our God version. You will find that on the this medial side, you got this designs on the medial side here, right? This single mesh in gray colors. And you can check the shape here. From this side to this side, it's getting bigger, right? And the shape is like this. Yeah, okay, so this is our God version. And now let's check these versions here. For this version, you will find that this part in gray colors here, the shape is not so good, right? Yeah, it's not. It seems like all the size here is in the same size, right? But for our God version, you can check here, the shape is getting bigger, right? And this one, okay, put two of them together so you can clearly see their difference. Okay, so this is the third difference. And the fourth difference I want to share with you. This is our God version. You will find that on the back counters here, yeah, the stitchings on the back counter, it's straight, right? Yeah, it's pretty good in good qualities. But for this version, it's a little bit tilt. Yeah, a little in not so good, right? Okay. And the fifth difference I want to share with you is the color difference on the bottoms here. Yeah, from this side you can clearly see their difference. This is our God version. You can see the blue materials on the bottom. It's like this. But for this version, you can see this blue materials, it's a little bit dark. Yeah, it's in heavy blue color, right? And this one, it's a little bit light blue, right? So you can see their difference. And this piece, the rubber materials is a little bit different, right? Yeah, see their difference from this side. And because this midsole, the color is different. So on the bottom, you can see from this side, their difference, right? Yeah, these two parts. Okay, so these are the total difference between these two versions of Yeezy 700 V3 Azael sneakers. If you want to get more details about it, just contact with us. As we all know that for these Yeezy 700 Azael sneakers, the upper designs the overlay this RPU materials, it will be grow in the dark when you use the light to hit it. So now we'll turn off the light and use our purple light to test it to see whether it will grow strongly in the dark. Now let's check it together. Okay, so now I have turned off the light and used the purple light to test it to see whether it will be grow in the dark here. The longer you use the light to hit it, it will be more strongly grow in the dark. So here, okay. So you'll find that it will be growing in the dark for the lateral side, that right, because I use the light to test it. But for this medial side, you can see it's like this. And now use the light to hit it as well. So you'll find that this overlay piece, it will be grow as well. So you'll find that. Okay, so this is the lateral side here, right? You will be grow as well. Okay, so these are the total review here. Okay, so if you like my videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Okay, see you next video. Bye.